Hi everyone. Welcome to the Learn English with Words YouTube channel. Assignment. Assignment. A-S-S-I-G-N-M-E-N-T. Assignment is a noun. An assignment is a task or a piece of work given to someone, usually by a teacher, to be completed as part of a study or job. For example, my teacher gave us an assignment to write a short story. My English assignment. Last week, our English teacher gave us a new assignment. We need to write about our favorite hobby. I chose to write about football because I love playing it with my friends. The assignment is 1 page long, and we need to finish it by Friday. I started writing my ideas on paper. It is a little hard, but I am trying my best. My friend Lisa is writing about painting. We plan to help each other with our assignments. I hope my teacher likes my work. Bias. Bias. B-I-A-S. Bias is a noun. Bias is when someone has a strong opinion about something or someone, often without a good reason. It means they like or dislike something unfairly because of personal feelings. For example, the teacher gave more points to her favorite student because of her bias. Bias in sports. Sometimes, people have a bias when they watch sports. For example, if someone loves one team, they may think that their team is always the best, even if it plays badly. They do not want to see the mistakes of their favorite team. This is because of their bias. It is not fair, but it is normal. Many people have a bias for their favorite team. It makes sports more exciting, but it can also make people argue. To enjoy sports better, we should try not to have too much bias. Dull. Dull. D-U-L-L. Dull is an adjective. The word dull means something that is not interesting, boring, or lacks excitement. It can also mean something that is not sharp, like a dull knife. For example, the lecture was very dull, and I almost fell asleep. A dull movie. Last night, I watched a movie with my friends. We were excited at first because the trailer looked interesting. But when the movie started, it was very slow. The story was not good, and the characters were boring. There was no action, no funny moments, and no surprises. We felt very sleepy while watching it. In the end, we stopped the movie before it finished. It was a very dull movie, and we decided to play a game instead. Next time, we will choose a better movie. Fraud. Fraud. F-R-A-U-D. Fraud is a noun. Fraud is when a person tricks someone else to get money or something valuable. It is a dishonest action where someone lies or cheats to gain something. For example, he used fake documents to get money from the bank. It was a fraud. The man who sold the Eiffel Tower. A long time ago, there was a man named Victor Lustig. He was very clever but also dishonest. He wanted to make money through fraud. One day, he had a crazy idea. He decided to sell the Eiffel Tower. He told some rich businessmen that the Eiffel Tower was too old and the city wanted to remove it. He said they could buy the metal. The businessmen believed him and gave him a lot of money. But it was all a lie. Victor Lustig took the money and left. He tricked them, and they never saw him again. This is one of the most famous frauds in history. Hence. Hence. H-E-N-C-E. Hence is an adverb. The word hence is used to show a result or consequence. It means, because of this or for this reason. It's a way to explain why something happened. For example, it was raining, hence we stayed indoors. It was raining, so we stayed inside. Healthy eating, hence feeling better. Many people eat fast food every day. This food tastes good, but it is not very healthy. When you eat a lot of fast food, you feel tired and slow. Hence, it is important to eat more fruits and vegetables. These foods give you energy and help you feel better. If you want to be healthy, you should choose good food. Eating well is important, hence you can be strong and active every day.